Hey love, so today in this video I have for you my daily skincare routine on how I'm able to take care of my skin from start to finish, how I'm able to get rid of dark spots and acnes from my face and future damages. So if you want to know how I was able to do this or how I am always able to do this, you might want to stay tuned to watch this till the end and get your spotless shining skin. So hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bree Nwanze. Please don't you forget to click on that subscribe button, click on that like button, click on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new content video for you all to watch. So may I say welcome to the family. Let's get right back into today's video.
So hey guys, before we get started, you quickly wash off your face. Then you get your face soap and you rub it smoothly and gently on your face. After that's done, I get my face spin brush and I use it to scrub my face, which is also very good because it gets out the extra dirt from our faces. I just love this brush because after we bathe, we think our face is clean and ready to go, but after trying to use this brush, you see how much dirt can come out from your face with just a little wash. After that's done, I wash out my face and I just pat it dry. I get my toner, which I made by myself, the cucumber toner. If you want to know how I made it, you can just click on the icon above and you get to watch it. And so I just use that to cleanse my face. To get out more dirt from my face. So after that, I get my face moisturizer and I use it to set everything up by rubbing that on my face. And hey, that's how I do my daily skincare routine. Don't you just love it?
That's how I do my daily skincare routine to get rid of acne and dark spots from my face and any future acne and dirt, and that also helps to get rid of dirt. And as we all know, dirt is more like a major reason why we usually have acne and pimples on our faces. So if you try that out and it works amazingly well for you, don't you forget to leave a comment down below at the comment section. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, click on that like button, and turn on the bell notification to get notified on when I post my next video content. Thanks for watching this till the end. Love y'all.